I want to know why nobody told me about collagen a long time ago and how important it is to add to our daily regimen. You see, I've always worked out and I've always ate healthy, but I never supplemented collagen for my skin and my joints. And it is extremely important now as I age. I'm 53. My skin and my joints are extremely important to me as I age. I want to keep the wrinkles where they are, and I want to keep my joints moving smoothly like butter. So if you're my age and you're not taking collagen, I'm the girl that's going to scream at you. Start incorporating this in your diet. It's really simple. I just take a scoop of this, I add it to my coffee every morning, I froth it, and then I'm on my way. I'm gonna link it below because again, if you are in your 50s, start doing this for your skin and your joints. It's going to be a game changer.